Did you know that most people lose thousands of euros just by not acting on time? Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid the most common mistakes and protect your money from economic crises. Stick around until the end, and you'll discover the 7 stages that can change your financial life forever. Stage 1. Break the chains of debt. The first stage to achieving financial freedom is to break the chains of debt. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial independence. If you don't manage it immediately, it can become a never-ending burden that holds you back. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, keeps you trapped in a vicious cycle. As long as you're paying interest on that debt, it's like you're working just to fill a hole that keeps getting bigger. And the worst part? Over time, debt grows exponentially, and it becomes harder and harder to escape. Here's where debt repayment strategies come in, helping you eliminate it efficiently. Snowball method. This is one of the most effective and motivating ways to get rid of debt. It involves paying off your smallest debt first while keeping minimum payments on the others. Once that debt is gone, you move on to the next smallest. The sense of eliminating debt one by one creates a motivating momentum, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Avalanche method. This method focuses on paying off the highest interest debts first. While it may not be as quick as the snowball method in terms of motivation, it will save you more money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay. Debt refinancing or consolidation. Another option to consider is consolidating your debts into a single payment with a lower interest rate, or refinancing those with high rates. This way, you pay less interest and can eliminate your debts faster. Ignoring your debt is like watching a fire and doing nothing to put it out. Debt doesn't just disappear. If you don't act, it will find you, grow, and consume a significant part of your income each month, making financial freedom impossible. Interest rates act like a snowball that keeps growing, devouring your resources if you don't take control. Eliminating debt is the first real step toward total control of your financial life. Once you're free from that weight, your money starts working for you instead of your creditors. Imagine how liberating it will be not to have any debt payments at the end of the month. That free money can now go toward investments, savings, or building your emergency fund. Your financial freedom starts when you stop paying off debt and start investing in yourself. Break those chains and take the first step toward financial independence. Stage 2. Build an emergency fund. The second step on the path to financial freedom is to build a solid emergency fund. This fund is your protective shield when unexpected situations arise that could throw you back into debt. Without it, any emergency, whether it's a car breakdown, job loss, or medical issue, could throw your finances into chaos. The emergency fund is not a luxury. It's a necessity. If you don't have a financial cushion, even a minor setback can become a financial catastrophe. With an emergency fund, you ensure you won't need to rely on loans or credit cards with high interest rates, protecting your financial progress. The general rule is that your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This includes housing, food, basic utilities, and transportation. This cushion gives you enough time to recover without worrying about how you'll pay the bills during a crisis. It's crucial that this fund is liquid and easily accessible, so you should keep it in a separate savings account. Don't invest it in the stock market or leave it in places that might fluctuate in value. This money is not meant to grow. It's meant to protect. Without an emergency fund, a simple unexpected event can destroy all your financial progress. It's not a matter of if an emergency will happen, but when. Stage 3. Optimize your expenses. Now that you've covered your debts and built an emergency fund, it's time to put your financial life under a microscope and optimize your expenses. Most people don't realize how much money they're wasting on unnecessary expenses every month. When you optimize your expenses, you free up money that you can use to invest, save, or improve your quality of life. Spending more than necessary on things that don't add real value to your life is like throwing money away. Optimization helps you cut those wastes and focus on what truly matters. Subscription review. How many times have you realized you're still paying for services you no longer use? Do a quick audit of all your subscriptions, from Netflix to the gym. Cancel what you don't need. Bill negotiation. Many people don't take the time to negotiate bills like internet, insurance, or even mobile services. Call your providers and negotiate better rates. Little expenses, those daily coffees, snacks, or unnecessary purchases can add up to hundreds of euros a month. Cut back on these little expenses, and you'll see a noticeable change in your bank account. Start today by cutting at least one unnecessary expense from your life. Do you really need all those subscriptions, or to buy coffee every day? Every euro you cut is a euro you can save or invest in your future. Stage 4. Increase your income. Now that you've optimized your expenses, one of the most exciting parts of the process begins: increasing your income. At the end of the day, there's a limit to how much you can cut, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. The sooner you start to diversify and increase your income, the faster you can achieve financial freedom. Relying on just one income stream is extremely risky. If that income fails, your progress grinds to a halt. The more income streams you generate, the faster your wealth will grow. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle that allows you to generate additional income. From driving for ride-sharing apps to selling products online or freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Negotiate a raise. If you work for a company, negotiating a raise can be one of the quickest ways to increase your income without having to work more hours. Prepare a solid proposal and demonstrate your value to the company. Start an online business. Digital businesses have low startup costs and huge growth potential. Starting an online store or monetizing a blog are examples of businesses you can start in your free time that could generate passive income over time. The sooner you start earning more money, the sooner you'll be in control of your financial life. Relying on just one income is like walking a tightrope. Far too risky. Open new income streams so that, no matter what happens, you'll always be in a strong position. Not increasing your income stagnates you. If you only focus on optimizing what you have and don't make an effort to earn more, you'll limit your ability to grow financially. Multiplying your income is multiplying your opportunities. Stage 5. Invest wisely. Once you've eliminated debt, built an emergency fund, and optimized your finances, it's time to make your money work for you. This is where the journey to financial freedom really begins. Investing wisely. Why investing is crucial. Money sitting in your savings account doesn't grow fast enough to beat inflation. If you don't invest, your purchasing power decreases over time. Investing allows you to multiply your money and generate passive income. It's the key to making your money work for you instead of you working for money. Investment options. Stocks and ETFs. Buying shares in solid companies or investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that diversify your portfolio. These are some of the most common vehicles to build long-term wealth. Real estate. Investing in rental properties or properties that appreciate over time is a strategy that can generate stable passive income and protect against inflation. Investing in businesses or startups. If you have access to opportunities, investing in emerging businesses or startups can generate significant returns, though with higher risk. Cryptocurrency. Though more volatile, cryptocurrencies can form a small part of your investment portfolio if you're willing to take on higher risks for potentially higher gains. Diversification is the key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in different assets and sectors, you protect yourself from downturns in individual markets. A well-diversified portfolio maximizes your security and your returns. Every day you don't invest is a day your money loses value to inflation. Start now and let compound interest work in your favor, turning today's small efforts into huge rewards tomorrow. Stage 6. Automate your money. The next step on your path to financial freedom is to automate your savings and investments. Automating your finances doesn't just save you time. It removes the emotional factor and procrastination. Let the system work for you, ensuring you're always progressing toward your goals. Why automation is crucial. Automation helps you maintain discipline and stick to your financial plan without fail. We're human, and we often forget or sideline our financial goals due to unexpected events or changes in mood. Automating everything eliminates these barriers. Automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to a savings or investment account right after receiving your salary. This way, you always save a portion of your income before spending it on anything else. Automatic investments. Use automated investment platforms or robo-advisors that regularly manage your portfolio. adjusting investments based on your risk profile. Platforms like these allow your investments to grow steadily without you needing to watch the market constantly. Automated debt payments. If you still have outstanding debts, set up automatic payments so you don't fall behind or accumulate unnecessary interest. Automation reduces financial stress, saves you time, and ensures you're making constant progress without conscious effort. It removes the possibility of forgetting to save or invest and keeps your financial momentum moving in the right direction. Automate your money and you'll see how your finances improve almost without you noticing. Stop worrying about saving and investing manually and let technology do the work for you. Stage 7. Stay focused and reinvest. The final stage on the path to financial freedom is to stay focused and keep reinvesting your gains. Financial freedom isn't a one-step event. It's a continuous process. The key to building sustainable wealth is maintaining a long-term mindset and being consistent. Why staying focused is important. It's easy to get distracted by other goals or spending once you start making more money, but the key to success is consistency. By staying focused on your plan and reinvesting your earnings, your money will grow exponentially over time. Reinvest dividends. If you invest in stocks or funds that pay dividends, reinvest those gains instead of spending them. This way, you get the benefits of compound interest, where your money makes more money over time. Reinvest in your education or skills. Don't forget to invest in yourself. Continuing to learn and improve your skills will allow you to access better opportunities, both in your job and your investments. Invest in new opportunities. Keep an open mind for exploring new investment opportunities, such as real estate, cryptocurrencies, or startups that could offer high returns in the long run. Discipline is one of the hardest parts of this stage. You'll see your money grow, and it's tempting to start spending on material things. But remember, financial freedom requires continuous focus. If you start spending your earnings instead of reinvesting them, you'll be losing your potential for growth. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. Keep investing, reinvest your earnings, and stay focused on your ultimate goal. Long-term success requires commitment and consistency. And that's it for today. If you really want to take control of your financial life, start applying these 7 stages. Don't wait until it's too late. The best time to act is right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content that will help you achieve financial freedom. Share this video with someone who needs this change too, and let's move together toward a safer, more prosperous future. See you in the next video.